Okay guys, so we are here on the home screen of the Walmart dashboard. So what you are going to do is come over to your items, and if you have not already converted them to Walmart Fulfillment Services, I will create another video on how to transfer your listings from self-fulfilled to Walmart Fulfillment Services, because there are a lot of perks to Walmart Fulfillment Services, as some of you guys may know, just like with Amazon FBA. So I'm not going to blur out my products because I make my own products. I manufacture my own products. I source the ingredients for my own products, and there's not that much competition out there for me, guys. So unless you guys are planning on creating a dog ice cream company, then I'll start blocking it out. So we are going to go over to this little thing. It says fulfillment type, and as you can see, it says WSF eligible. So you're going to go to the manage inventory section, and then you are going to choose. So I've already printed out my labels for the peanut butter as well as the bacon, but I'm going to go ahead and do the blueberry, and then you're going to select that and create an inbound order. When you get to the inbound order, you're going to select the expected delivery date. Now I just choose a week out, and then this is the correct thing. Now mine are case packed in units of 24, so I am just going to, for the first time ever, just send in one box, see how the process goes, make sure everything was correct. But I know for sure I figured out the correct way of getting labels, putting them on the boxes, and figuring out all that kind of stuff. So you're going to choose your pack configuration. Mine are case packed, and how many units there are per case. Now you're going to have to select your settings, and now if your units are not already in boxes inside the case pack, you are going to have to choose one of these two things, either polybags or the standard label. Now I just choose the standard label, which is 45 cents per unit, and for 24 units that comes out to $10.80. So once you do that, you're going to submit your order. And then we are going to go to view shipments. Okay, so I just created it right here on this date, so I know it is the correct SKU. And then we have to go over and click prepare shipments. Now all of this looks correct, right? Shipment quantity, total units received, blah, 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 packaging and labels. So then up here you go to shipping and labeling. Now for me, it is not a truckload, so I'm gonna click small parcel. And then this part, you just type in your address, all of that good information. And then after you go ahead and fill in all of your address information and where it's coming from, you are going to either choose upload package details, which is a CSV file, or enter package on web. I personally prefer enter package on web because I have to say a lot of their Excel files, at least for me, Excel files in general are a little bit scary and intimidating. So I tend to prefer to do things on the web. So after you enter your information, click enter package on web. And then once you click enter on web, this little thing will pop up. So I am sending all 24 units in a single box. So the number of packages will be 1. The box weight for me will be 3.4. The length is 14. Now, if you guys are also like being smart and you're using case packs, just make sure to save the details, the measurements, the weights, that kind of stuff to some kind of either Excel sheet or Word document, something where you can find it and use it easily. Like all of my case packs have 24 units. They're all the same size, and having that has really helped me across 3 different SKUs, because sometimes it can get tricky having different kinds of SKUs. So after we do that, we are going to click agree. Confirm and calculate charges. And once we do that, we will say accept charges. So my total shipping cost is going to be $5, which really isn't that bad. Accept the charges. And then when it comes to labeling, let me zoom out a little. Oops. So when it comes to labeling, you are going to have to print out 2 different types of labels. And although there's instructions down here, some of them may not be really useful, just because when you print out certain labels, that information is already provided. There is no place for you to put box 1 out of 5 or mixed SKU or single SKU. Now, if you do see a label like that, absolutely follow these directions. My labels, on the other hand, do not look like that. They look like normal shipping labels for the most part, but you are going to have to come over here, select the day that you will be shipping, which mine is today because I'm going on vacation tomorrow, thank God. And then you will generate your carrier labels, and then you will also generate receiving labels. So I just choose this. And so you're just going to basically click those, and it will send you to a different platform where you can actually see the labels and print them off. From there, you're just going to put both labels on your boxes and go ahead and ship them in. Now, I have no idea how they're actually charging me. I'm sure I do have a credit card linked to Walmart Fulfillment Services, but I was normally or previously under the impression that we actually had to go to a third-party packaging carrier like UPS, FedEx, and this, and type in the address that they were giving you. Now, that is how they are going to make it seem, but this workflow that I just showed you should absolutely work and should be the most easiest, time-consuming, and money-efficient way of getting your packages into Walmart. So guys, that's pretty much it. After you print your labels off, you're going to stick them on your box and go ahead and drop them off at one of the carriers that is listed on the label, or I have a carrier that takes all different kinds of packages. But guys, make sure to click the like, click the subscribe. I will be putting more content out there on Walmart and how to use Walmart because it is very new and there are some glitches with it, but there are some easy ways of getting around it. There are also a bunch of ways to optimize your listings, and I truly believe that there is a huge opportunity right now on Walmart fulfillment services. They are moving to compete with Amazon hands down, and the amount of sellers on Amazon versus the amount of sellers on Walmart is incredibly different. Amazon has so many more sellers than Walmart does, so I do think there is a huge opportunity here. I will be exploring more of these opportunities throughout 2023, such as sending in my FBA products, the products I get sent into FBA from Alibaba. I am also going to double that order and send the same order into Walmart and see what performs the best. So follow me along my journey to figure out which is going to be more profitable for me, Amazon or Walmart, but I'm also learning through the Walmart community. So stay tuned for more information on listing optimization, running ads, etc., etc. So thank you guys for watching. Click that subscribe.